So I've got to hold it by the handle side or the stem side, and then we're going to drill our whole bell side. We're going to slow down the speed to 500. I want to drill with my Forstner bit at high speed, and we'll see how far we can go in. All right, I'm going to go a couple sizes up on my Forstner bit. I went up to about here, so I went up to about there. What I'm going to do now is hold this centered so I can turn the outside. The problem is you can't tell how thick you are or close to the inside the outside is becoming if this end is closed up. So at some point I'm going to remove this so I can tell how thick it is and turn it without the end, but I've got quite a bit of material to remove. We're going to do that first, and then we'll remove it and do the fine cutting. Since this is a quicker project, I am going to just put a wax candle finish on it. I'm not going to spend a ton of time. It's really smooth, and I think it's going to bring out all at once. And the wax finish is not super shiny. It's a little more matte finish. Should just bring out the grain, which there's some really neat things going on with the grain. So all I'm doing is letting the friction kind of melt the wax onto the wood, and then I'll go with the rag after that and kind of polish it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray the inside with my Satellite City accelerator. I'm going to touch the end of the string. And that was my Satellite City gap filling super glue. So I have a bucket of these beads. They came from a car seat called Back Beads that they used to advertise in the 90s. And don't ask me why I have some. But
Back beads. Back beads. I wouldn't drive a cab without them. Back beads reduces wrinkling so you save money on dry cleaning.
I don't jump at the first thing I see.
Hundreds of kiln-dried, lacquered maple wood beads.
Back beads, it just makes me feel good.
Back beads makes you look good, too.
Back beads.
Throw them over the back, tie them up, the top and the bottom, and they're done. Oh, it's definitely worth the price.
Drive this cab without back beads? You gotta be nuts. Back beads. Back beads.
Two back bead family.
but I took them apart for the beads, and they'll make a perfect clapper. Put a little glue in there. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and we'll see you next video.